Greetings and salutations, everyone. We're on the Asian servers today in Overwatch, and we're going to do some competitive play. That's right, we're going to do some competitive play here in Overwatch. I think it's going to be fantastic and amazing. I'm just going to throw this out there for all that do not know. The Chinese Communist Party is pretty much oppressing the peoples of Hong Kong, who only want for freedom and democracy. And we're going to let everyone know here in the Asian Overwatch community. And I don't know, for some reason I don't think it's going to end well. But let's get into this game. It looks like we're going to be either a tank or a healer. Very, I don't know. I've been playing this game for a while. Like, I've been a customer of Blizzard for quite a while. Since World of Warcraft. And, you know, it was cool. It's been fun. But in case you guys don't know, there was a Hearthstone player doing a tournament, and they said, liberate Hong Kong. And he got banned from the tournament. He lost all of his prize money, and it was Blizzard that did it. Yeah, very, very horrible stuff. Freedom for Hong Kong. Oh, I like these guys. They're like, pray for Hong Kong. Who is that? They're even on the other side, right? That's cool. That's cool. You get on the American server, and as for most Americans, they could care less about freedom, I guess. It's weird. It is weird. There are a few people out there that are all like, yeah, let's freedom. Oh geez, what's up with this? Looks like we fell down the wrong hole. Uh-oh. I think we're toast. We're definitely toast. Ugh. I'm not gonna lie. I would like to support Blizzard, but it just seems like I don't know. They seem to like money a lot more than freedom. Well, dang. Greenbird took me out. And it is quite sad. Ooh. Still missing my tooth. The lack of having a tooth is painful. I guess it's the stitches. Ooh. But I mean, you might ask me, well, if you don't want to support Blizzard anymore, why are you playing their game? Well, it is quite simple. I would rather protest inside their game until they do something ridiculous. to be completely fair. And let's just get this correct. Like I enjoy Overwatch. I and in the past have enjoyed a lot of the games Blizzard has made. But I don't know. I mean, I'm to the point where if all they really do care about is money and not actual freedom, I don't know if I can like give them my money or support. So this might be one of the last games that I'm going to be playing, or I'm going to keep playing, but just do things that will possibly get me banned. Just because. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. Oh, we didn't do much of anything good there. Uh-oh. Ascadios. Oh, no. I kind of did forget, though. I am playing with a bunch of Asians right now, most likely. So, I don't know. I don't know what to think about that. Because we all know Asians in their video games, man. It's ridiculous. But maybe that's just a stereotype. Who knows? There might be some Asians out there that can't play this game. Oh. Well, I mean... Let's see. It's actually true. The Chinese Communist Party harvests organs, like livers and I don't know, probably hearts, off of political prisoners or prisoners in general. That's just out there, man. Ooh. Ooh. Ouch. I'm just upset. I'm not too upset. I just would really like it if the Chinese people could experience a life of freedom and actual democracy. Ooh, we did something? Did we do something good? I think we're toast. Ugh. It's a pretty interesting little match we have up. Oh, I'm kind of going to miss this game. I'm not going to lie. But I am kind of glad that I have not bought any loot boxes in a long time. I think that's pretty good of me. I didn't know that something like this would happen. I mean, you would kind of figure that an American company would embrace freedom a little bit better. Would stand with the very people that defend them, like militarily, like the American soldier, and the many allies of the United States. I mean, we're not perfect. I mean, America is not perfect by any stretch of the imagination. I mean, everyone has their problems, but I tell you one thing. Having the ability to say that my government is complete and utter garbage and not get in trouble kind of makes me a hypocrite. Like, to be completely fair. And that's the weird part about it. Like, we have the ability to say such things, and that, in a way, it just makes everything just 100% like awesome that we have the right to do that, and the government can't do anything. But over in China, you can't do that. You'll be walking down the street, and the next day you're already in prison. Like, and then not only that, you're gonna get your kidney removed and sold to somebody. You're gonna be living on in someone else and say the wrong things. Heck, you believe the wrong things. And it's kind of sad that, you get in a conversation with some of the Chinese people, and they're like, "Oh, you can't talk bad about the American government. You can't talk bad about the Chinese government. You can't do that. That's wrong." And Americans do it all the time. Like, all these people are like, "Oh, Donald Trump's the most horrible person in the world." Well, I mean, that's their right. I mean, they have that right. No one's getting arrested for doing that. I mean, it's a for real thing. Well, looks like we had a horrible game here. Nah, who cares? Yeah. Let's see if I can spell Taiwan right. Taiwan is the true China. I'll probably get banned at some point in time. I don't know any of this right here. I assume that this is probably Korean. But yes, I'm highly upset. Because freedom, baby. That's right. I don't know. What's your thoughts down below? Please like, share, and subscribe. We're gonna get back to the regularly scheduled other games. That's right. I got other games scheduled, and probably not gonna be doing anything from Blizzard for a while until they change their ways. If they do not change their ways, I'll probably never play another Blizzard game again. That includes World of Warcraft, anything made by Activision for the most part. I'm pretty much done with them. But yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Bye, everybody.